In my previous video, you will see I have generated some path and installed some software to connect it my database with C++. So you will install XAMPP control panel, then open it. I will open. Then firstly, you should start Apache server, then MySQL server, then MySQL admin server. This will take us some time. You see, this is a localhost server. I will create a new database. I will create a database that I will insert values in a student record. A student record can be contain roll number, student name, student class, student section, student email, student phone number. So firstly you will create database. I will write query create database student, then run this query or go. Then you will see I have a database student. Open it, then again make SQL query. Then you will create a table. I will register student or I will admit student in school. So I will enter details of a student. So I will make a table detail. Create table detail. I think student detail is better. Student detail. Okay. You will use underscore. Instead of space, you will use underscore. Then you will make some entities, small brackets. Then a student can contain a roll number, student ID. This is form of int. I think this is primary key. Primary key. Not null. Then a student can contain her name, student name. This is form of strings like varchar. 30 characters is very much. And student email, student contact number, contact number. Okay, this is form of int. Then student ID, student name, student contact number, student section or student class, student class. If a student in first year or 6th class, 7th class, you will select varchar. 10 spaces is very enough, comma. Student email or student father name, student father name, varchar 30. Okay, student address, this is also varchar. I think 50 characters enough. So you will see these are the entities of student. You will add more. I will show you only for practice. then close brackets, semicolon, copy, select all, copy this query, and then go. You will see I have made a table student detail. Select it, and these are the entities of student. Okay, so I will insert, delete, update, search, and show using C++. So I will use this database for insertion, deletion, updation, searching, and different operations using Codeblock C++ language. So firstly open your Codeblock. You will open again this folder. You will see this is a practice code. Open this, select all, copy of all code, then open your code block, create a new project. This is console of go. Next, C++, project title, student, next, finish. So you will see this is a student source. You will open main.cpp. You will see hello world. Firstly you can run this. You can see this is hello world. Okay, so you will cut this code and paste this code. These are the header files that plays main roles to connect your code in database. Okay, this is a code, MySQL, this is pointer connection, and you will see this is insert query. Okay, you will insert using this query on this. You will see this is database name. You will insert your database name here, and you will insert your table name here for insertion, and you will insert your table name here for show your record. So firstly the main work is you will insert. I have delete this query. Okay, open your browser, then student detail of SQL. You will see insert. You will select this. Okay, so insert into. You will copy this query and you will paste on this query in this. You will see insert into student detail etc values. Okay, firstly you will enter roll number 1, student name Ali, student father name Ashraf, student contact number 12345, student class student 7 class, then student address ABC. Okay, Then you will select from table name is student detail, copy this, control C, then paste your student table, select from. This is a query. Open your browser. Instead of you apply this query, firstly you apply your select query. You see, go, you see you have nothing record. Okay, then you should open code block, select from student. You have 6 entities, 1 2 3 4. You will see you have 6 entities. Firstly open your browser, then you will see first entity student ID, second student name, student father name, student contact number, student class, student address. Okay, so you, if you will insert, then you will show the student record. Open your code block and run this query. Okay, this is system error. The code execution cannot processed because libmysql.dll was not found. Reinstall the. So you have one more work. You open database using MySQL. Okay, then libmysql. You see this is a DLL file. Copy. First you can extract this file here. Okay, then show more option, extract here. Okay, this is my libmysql.dll file. This you can copy this file and paste where you store your main code. File student main sources. I not know where I store my main code, so you can see student d ember student cbp path. Okay, this is a project based path. D, first you should d ember gnome student. Okay, I will open, copy this path and then paste this. You will store this. Then open your bin, debug, and copy this DLL file and paste on your code execution file there. Then again you will run your code, then you will see connection failure, error was missing. Okay, this is a database name. You will delete database name, you will enter your own database name. I have student database name, so I will use student name there. Student, I will use student name here. Okay, then you can run this. Okay, if you run this, then connection to database successfully record inserted successfully. Okay, then open your browser and again select detail. You will see first Ali Ashraf 1 2 3 4 5 7 class ABC. Okay, if you want to show this record, then you will made cout statements. Cout first student name \n for new line. Student name is row 0 because this is in a form of row. Row 1, row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Okay, total 6 rows. You know. Then you will open your code block and L. Then first row is student ID. Student ID is second is student name. Copy this, paste there. Student name. Okay. 1. Then again copy this. Student father name. Okay. Row 2. Then student contact number. Student contact number is okay. Row 3. Then student class and student address. Student class row 4 and student address. Okay. Row 5. Then firstly run your code. Okay. You will see error data was not inserted because of primary key. Student record 1 Ali Ashraf 1 2 3 4 5 class ABC. Okay. If I insert 2 instead of 1 in insert function, then you will see you enter 2 records. This is one record Ali Ashraf and this is second record Ali Ashraf. Okay, and check your database. Okay, good. If you want to take record from the user, then you will open my next video. See you soon in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.